Hello everyone, welcome you again in Researchify. In this video, we will learn what is impact factor and how it is calculated. So basically, impact factor is a measure of the frequency with which the average article in a journal and in particular journals has been cited in particular years, basically in last 2 years. So it is used to measure the importance or rank of a journal by calculating the times, or you can say its articles are cited. Uh, okay, so let us see the formula of impact factor. Here you can see the formula for calculating the impact factor. So basically in mathematical form you can say the average number of articles cited in last 2 years divided by average number of article published in last 2 years. Okay, so let us suppose you can calculate, or if you wish to calculate the impact factor of 2020, or you can calculate impact factor in 2019. Okay, so in here we can calculate impact factor of 2020. So what will happen in the formula? Article cited in 2019 and article cited in 2018. Okay, last 2 years. So if you calculate the impact factor in 2020, that means last 2 years means 2019 and 2018. So the article cited in 2019 plus article cited in 2018 divided by summation of article published in 2019 plus article published in 2018. Okay, so let us suppose, or this is hypothetical, suppose number of article cited in 2019 are 1200 and number of articles cited in 2018, 1 year before, is 1014, and number of article published in 2019 is equal to 590 and number of article published in 18 is 416 60. So what will be the impact factor? 1200 plus 1014 divided by 590 plus 460, that will be 2.1. This is the impact factor of a particular journal. So this is one presentation. So just jump to the one real life impact factor. We can see one impact factor of a particular article. So just go to Web of Science citation report. Okay, just go to Collaborate. Here journal citations report. Here you can search any journal or name of the journal. Let's enter here International Journal of Computer Mathematics. Okay, let us see what is the impact factor of this journal. So here there is one option, you can select impact factor of 2019 and 18. So here I can select impact factor of 20. Okay, JCR year 2020. Here once you come down, you will see the impact factor of journal in 2020 is 1.931, and here you can see another value is slightly less, like 1.744. You can see the journal impact factor without self citation. So here you need to understand what is self citation. So self citation is always less than the global impact factor, because in this case what they are calculating the impact factors without self citation. So many times journals published in any journals using self citation, the journal published in the same journal. So in this case it exclude the self citation articles. Okay, so here you can see the journal impact factor is 1.931. So let us see how this impact factor is calculated. View calculation. Here you can see citation in 2020 to items published in 2018 and published in 2019. So in 2018 313 and 2019 220. Okay, divided by number of article published means citable item in 2018 and 2019. In 2018 141 and in 2019 136. So total citation article cited in last 2 years is 535, and total number of article published in last 2 year, I mean 2019 and 2018, 277. So 535 divided by 277 is equal to 1.931. So this is the global impact factor. But once you come to the impact factor without self citation, you can see what the difference. In this case, you can see in this calculation the self citation is excluded. So here you can see self citation in 2020 to items published in 2018 and 19. So self citation was 28 in 2019 and self citation was 24 in 2019. So both 28 plus 24 is equal to 52. So here you can see the 52 is subtracted from the total number of citation. So 535 minus 52 divided by total number of article published in the last 2 years. So the impact factor slightly reduced 1.744. So this is the impact factor without self citation. But globally, this global impact factors are accepted, and this is important factor. So this is the video or tutorial. So I hope you can understand how the impact factors are calculated. Thank you for watching.